Hello everyone. It's Friday the 14th of August and we're here in the Walnut Grove, California tomato field of MichaelBoparaiAugust. You can see in the middle there off in the background the pivot is working its way around the tomatoes, and we're over on the western edge of the field here, where we've just downloaded the watermark soil water tension data here. For those of you who haven't been out to the field recently, you can see the current state of canopy growth and development, and also of the fruit set here. I think Jean Meow and Brenna Agater are going to come out to the field this afternoon to take a look at things, and maybe they'll give us some feedback as well here. I don't see too many red fruit right now, or, well, there are a few I guess now. This is the state of how things look at this particular point. If I scroll through the data on this watermark data logger anyway, the 1 foot sensors are reading about 3 centibars, which is very low. The other one is at 11 centibars for 1 foot. The 2 foot sensor is at about 33, and the other 2 foot is at about 94. So quite a range there, but the 2 feet records are quite a bit higher than the 1 foot depths here. Okay, what you can see here are actually a number of things there. That up and down wavy light purplish line in the middle, that's the soil temperature at about 10 centimeters. In the middle of the graph, along the horizontal axis, you can see an area where several of the lines start climbing quite a bit there, and that's an indication of higher water tension. What's happening there, that was about the 1st through the 3rd of August, and the soil was drying out there, so a number of both 1 and 2 foot sensors were recording higher tension numbers there. Then it looked like there was an irrigation, and then they started climbing again. So it looks like the sensors are at least generally working, and they might provide some good information for us down the road there. Just looking more carefully here at the fruit here. Looks like a little bit of blossom end rot there. We'll ask Michael how much water he's put on here. Where we're standing right here looks particularly, at least the surface, it looks fairly moist and recently wet. We'll take a look at the data, and I'll try to send that off to people this weekend so you can take a look at that as well here. Just a brief word here about why this particular field is very important here. It's because if productivity can be kept up and maintained for tomatoes, that's pretty important. Because tomatoes are an important rotation crop in a lot of areas of the valley, so that if it can be demonstrated and shown that there's an advantage to the system, then it makes sense to really pursue that with tomatoes here.